Hey everyone, Tom is coming to you from MGMClassicCars.com here in Addison, Illinois. Today I have this 1968 Pro Touring LS motor overdrive trans Camaro that's been badged as a Z28. It's sitting on beautiful torque thrust wheels. As you can see, gray in color, front chin spoiler, front chrome bumper has been removed for it to look a little bit more modern. White rally stripes, a little cow induction, factory steel hood, dual sport mirrors all around. Body and paint on the car, really nice, really straight, great reflection on the Tuxedo paint job. Underneath, it's got rack, pinion all in the front, totally different aftermarket subframe, and as you can see, cal tracks on the bottom there. Let's do a quick walk around. I'm going to point out any things. Four-wheel Wilwood disc brakes, dual exhaust all around, and we're going to order the cap for that as well. Check out this beautiful paint job. Awesome reflection. Sounds amazing. Wait till I get up on the throttle. Underneath, like brand new, guys. 12-volt rear end, posi unit. Wicked stance on the car. All the door jambs look good. Bucket seats, brand new center console, staple shifter, dash pad, weather stripping. Headliner, we're going to tuck it. I'm going to get a professional to come in and tuck the headliner in a little bit more. As you can see, I'm getting also a brand new steering wheel for the vehicle. That one on there is an original from what I understand. And we will order the antenna for it as well. I want you guys to check something else out. Well, check this out. Whole different subframe. So I am repainting these stripes. You see a couple little chips here. I'm repainting all the white rally stripes on the car. Let's pop the hood. Check this out. Ready? Check it out. Bam! Oh, does that look sweet? Flattened firewall. Inner fenders have been painted. It's all tied in there. Aluminum radiator. Beautiful LS motor, guys. Listen to this. Oh, I'm getting the wipers fixed. As far as I'm putting wiper blades on it and arms, but we'll see if they work or not. I'm not going to be 100% on that. Are you serious? All right. Listen. Overdrive transmission on the car. Go to my description. There's so much of this car I just can't remember. Tinted windows. So a little bit about the car. We're definitely going to have the turn signals functioning, headlights working, brake lights work. I talked to you about the wipers. I'm not quite sure if that wiper motor, if we need an aftermarket one or not, but I'll put the wiper arms on the car and then leave it at that. No radio in the car, so you can install your custom radio. It's a delete heat car, not hooked up from the LS motor. It's just for a summer cruiser in good weather. We're going to check. I'm going to replace the original steering wheel to a brand new SS steering wheel, and I will get the horn functioning. We'll make sure tire pressure is accurate and all the fluids from the coolant, brake fluid, power steering, tranny, and all that. Speedometer is a digital Dakota dash and gauges. We'll make sure the speedo works. The RPM tach does function, and all the other parts, meaning the temperature gauge, oil pressure gauge, fuel gauge, all function. So that's everything there, guys. Let's go for a little quick blast. Holy shit! Man, this thing is fun. Woo! Woo! So once again, guys, LS motor, 383 stroker, fuel injected, AFR 1510 heads on the car, Rossler 4L60 electronic automatic trans. It's got a Yanks converter in it. I did mention the aftermarket subframe in the front, rack and pinion, steering, adjustable coilovers, trac bars in the back, new 12-bolt rear end, 373 posi unit, Wilwood 4-wheel, power disc brakes, Holley Terminator X, and I did mention the Dakota digital dash, and everything underneath is all brand new. Yes, yes. So there you have it, folks. MGMClassicCars.com, located at 150 South Church Street, Addison, Illinois, 60101. We're open Monday through Friday for showings, 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Saturdays from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. by appointment. So make sure you give us a call and make sure the car is available. If you're looking to finance the vehicle, we got great financing. If your credit score is between 600 and 739, fill out the application at MGMClassicCars.com. Rates are between 4.5% to 7%, with about 10% down. No prepayment penalty. If your credit score is over 740, and again, over 740 only, you are qualified for no money down at 2.5%, all the way up to a 4.5 with no money down through Lightstream.com. Sorry that I got interrupted. So again, everyone over 740, go to Lightstream.com and check out their rates. One of the best on the market, no prepayment penalty. So if you're watching on YouTube, subscribe to my channel. You got to see what I got coming tomorrow, folks. You're going to love it. If you're watching on Facebook, like it and share it to your friends. MGMClassicCars.com. We have over 250 5-star reviews. Check us out. If you want financing, you know where to go. If you need delivery, text me your zip code and say, Tom, I watched the video. Here is my zip code. How much to have this badass Camaro delivered to my driveway? And I'll get back to you. My number is 847-848-1850. If I don't answer, please leave a message. Text messages get much quicker responses. Talk soon. And thanks for watching MGMClassicCars.com.